Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Vivo Y21. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name. And at the back, specification like design, battery and storage. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid. Inside it we have documentation like a quick start guide and important information and a warranty card. Next, we have a silicone back cover which will protect your phone. Here we have Vivo Y21 comes with a water drop notch display. The phone has a 13 megapixel dual camera setup at the back with Vivo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks premium. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 18 watt of fast charging. At last, we have a SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all you get inside the Vivo Y21 box. Thank you so much for watching this video.